Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A split-level house design is a unique architectural style where the floor levels are staggered. Typically, there are at least 3 distinct levels connected by short flights of stairs. This design emerged prominently in the mid-20th century as a solution for building on sloped or uneven terrain. Instead of one continuous floor or 2 full stories, the house is divided into zones, such as a basement or garage on the lowest level, a living and kitchen area on the mid-level, and bedrooms on the upper level. This split creates a clear separation of living spaces while maintaining a compact footprint on the land. One of the primary advantages of a split-level home is its highly efficient use of space, especially on smaller or sloped suburban lots. By stacking living areas vertically with half flights of stairs, homeowners can enjoy more square footage without requiring a massive plot of land. Additionally, the inherent separation of levels provides excellent privacy and noise control. Quiet zones like bedrooms are naturally isolated from high-traffic areas like the kitchen or family room. This layout also offers a unique aesthetic appeal, providing more architectural depth and visual interest than a standard ranch or a traditional 2-story home. Furthermore, split levels often allow for more natural light to penetrate different parts of the house through large, strategically placed windows across the varying elevations. Decorating the exterior of a split-level home requires a focus on balance and highlighting the architectural layers. To make the design look cohesive, consider using a mix of materials such as horizontal siding paired with vertical wood slats or stone accents to define the different levels. Choosing a modern color palette like deep charcoals, warm grays, or creamy whites can instantly modernize a dated structure. Lighting plays a crucial role. Use uplighting to emphasize the different heights and pathways to create a welcoming atmosphere. Landscaping should be tiered to mirror the house's levels, utilizing retaining walls, stone steps, and a variety of shrubbery to lead the eye toward the entrance. Finally, updating the front door with a bold color or a modern glass insert can act as a stunning focal point that ties the entire exterior together. Successful split-level designs rely on elements that emphasize connectivity and light. Large, expansive windows are a staple, often used to bridge the gap between the indoors and the surrounding environment while highlighting the different floor heights. Open concept floor plans on the main living level help the home feel larger and more fluid, preventing the staggered floors from feeling cramped. Modern split levels often incorporate mixed media exteriors, combining natural wood, metal, and masonry to create a contemporary look. Another essential element is the integration of the garage. Rather than being a separate block, a well-designed split level incorporates the garage into the lowest tier, often using modern door designs to enhance the overall facade. High-quality roofing materials with varied pitches also help in defining the unique silhouette of the home. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best split-level house design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one. One, the Midnight Modernist. This stunning design features a bold, dark charcoal facade with vertical black siding that emphasizes height. The lower level is anchored by a dark brick base, while the upper floor features large, wraparound windows encased in warm wood framing, creating a perfect contrast between the industrial dark tones and natural warmth. 2. The Sloped Contemporary Sanctuary. Designed specifically for a hillside, this home uses tiered white retaining walls and lush, desert-inspired landscaping to lead toward a modern gray entryway. The asymmetrical roofline and large picture windows allow for panoramic views, while the clean lines and neutral palette make it look exceptionally sophisticated. 3. Mid-century timber revival. This design celebrates the classic split-level roots with a beautiful integration of light gray siding and rich honey-toned wood panels. The black-trimmed windows and double-car garage doors give it a crisp, updated feel, while the concrete staircase provides a solid, welcoming transition from the driveway to the front door. 4. The suburban stone sophisticate. A perfect blend of traditional and modern, this home utilizes horizontal taupe siding paired with light-colored stone masonry on the central entryway. The teal-colored front door adds a pop of personality, while the symmetrical window placements and manicured flower beds create a very balanced and inviting curb appeal. 5. Rustic Horizon Heights. This expansive design uses warm vertical wood siding and heavy stone accents across the lower level to create a grounded, rustic feel. The large glass garage doors and upper-level balcony with black metal railings provide a modern touch, making it an ideal choice for those who love a mountain modern aesthetic. 6. The Urban Slate Cottage. Combining a traditional gabled roof with modern materials, this home features deep slate gray siding and prominent wood accents around the windows. The elevated front porch with wooden pillars creates a cozy outdoor space, while the stone-framed double garage adds a sense of luxury and durability to the lower tier. 7. The Neutral Transitional Split. This house showcases a soft, olive gray palette with white trim that highlights its multi-level structure. The wooden garage door and matching front door bring a natural element to the design, while the tiered stone planters and mature trees integrate the home seamlessly into its suburban environment. 8. The Industrial Glass Pavilion. Characterized by its massive windows and black metal framing, this design is all about transparency and light. The mix of gray brick and smooth black panels gives it an edgy, industrial vibe, while the integrated concrete planters soften the look with long grasses and greenery. 9. The Modern Farmhouse Hybrid. A fresh take on the split level, this home features crisp white vertical siding and a dark gabled roof. The tiered stone landscaping and wooden stairs lead to a recessed entryway, while the large black-framed windows ensure the interior is flooded with light, perfectly blending farmhouse charm with split-level functionality. 10. The Coastal Breeze Split. This bright and airy design uses light blue-gray siding and a silver metal roof to reflect a coastal influence. The white garage door and clean concrete lines create a minimalist look, while the wooden door and tropical greenery add warmth, proving that split-level designs can work beautifully in any climate. Split-level homes offer an incredible opportunity to play with architecture, light, and privacy in ways that traditional layouts simply cannot. Whether you are looking to renovate an existing mid-century gem or building a new contemporary masterpiece, focusing on material contrast and tiered landscaping will ensure your home stands out in the neighborhood. These designs prove that functional spaces can also be incredibly stylish and full of character. If you enjoyed these split-level design ideas, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration and home decor tips. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to check out our other videos for more ways to transform your living spaces.